and Spain has won the semi-final of the European Championship of France. Yes, Spain against France, and Spain has won the semi-final. All right. Good afternoon, almost in the evening. In today's newspaper, we have here Tuesday, July the 9th, 2024. We have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Well, it's evening right now. Otherwise it will be too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright, let me start with these regular puzzles first. Let's see. Need some space. Alright, yeah. First one is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number 8868. Yeah, 8868. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Oh wait, 68. This one has let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then let me see. 8, 8, 7, 7. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 4 here. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 4 in this second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. 7 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 4 here. Then 7 and the 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 5. Need a 2. And I need a 7 here. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3. Then 5, 6. Need a 9. 9 and 9 and 9 and a 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes at there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 7. Okay. And now, and now. Let me see. How about? Need a 1 here. I'm thinking. 5, 7, 3, 4, 2. I need a 2. I need 2s. Come on. 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 4 here. And I need a 3, 8. 5, 4, and 5, 4, and 8. We've paired 4 and 8 in this row. 4 and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. Last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row both. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5, 5. Then 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 2 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7, 9, 6, and 2. Alright, and now, let me see. Need a 4 here. How about here? Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. And I need an 8 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. Number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have 9 in that row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. Oh, I hate to split those numbers. Here also 2 and the 7 are left. Well. Need a 4 here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2, 3, 7. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column. Only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between, the middle row. Only place left 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 and a 6, well, we have a 2 now in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 and 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Faster than 50 minutes. So is this video 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.